Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I explain how to create a password reset disk in Windows 11, and how to use it to reset your account password if you ever get locked out of your computer. This method is particularly useful for local user accounts, not Microsoft accounts, and will certainly save you from the hassle of getting locked out of your system due to a forgotten password. Although this feature has been around for years, many users still don't know about it. It's a simple and effective way to ensure you never lose access to your Windows account. It's easy to set up and use, requires no external software, and works instantly when needed. Let's start step by step with how to create a password reset disk. Open the Control Panel window. Then click on the User Account section. Here, click on User Accounts to access the user account settings. Then, click on Create a Password Reset Disk from the left sidebar. You will see a message stating that using this feature requires removable media, such as a USB flash drive. So connect your USB flash drive to be able to use this feature. Now, I'll connect the USB flash drive to your computer. But before you begin, you should know that this process will erase all data on the USB drive. Therefore, make sure to connect an empty USB drive that doesn't contain any important files. This note is very important to avoid losing any data on your USB drive. Now, click Create a Password Reset Disk from the left sidebar in the User Accounts section of the Control Panel. The Forgotten Password wizard will open. This wizard will help you create a password reset disk. This disk is specific to the user account you are currently logged into. You cannot use it to reset the password of another account. Also, only one reset disk can be created per account. If you change your password later, the disk will still work for that account. Click the Next button to continue with the rest of the steps. In this step, select the USB drive you want to use. If you have more than one, click on the drop-down menu and select the USB drive you want to create a password reset on, and click on the Next button. Here, enter your current password for the local user account you are logged into, and click the Next button. The wizard will now create the password reset disk, which will only take a few seconds to create. After that, click Next, then click Finish to complete the process. You now have a password reset disk that you can use if you forget your password in the future. Now, we'll learn how to use a password reset disk to reset your account if you forget your password. Log out of your account to learn these steps in detail. For example, if you forgot your password for any reason, you can click Reset Password on the login screen. Below the password field, the 3 security and recovery questions for your account will open. Scroll down and click Use a Password Reset Disk instead. This will open the Password Reset wizard. Click Next, then select the USB drive and click Next. You will then be sure to connect the USB drive you created. Now to reset your account password, type a new password for your local account in the password fields, and enter a password hint to help you remember it later. Then click Next and click Finish. You can now log in to your local account on Windows 11 using the new password. Now I have a question that arises, which is how to keep a USB drive to reset the password for future use. Before answering the question, you should know that when the password reset is created on USB drives, the wizard creates a system file on the drive named userkey.psw. This file is specifically linked to the user account for which it was created, and the Windows user ID on which it was created. And the best practice for storing your password reset disk safely is to keep it in a secure location. Avoid connecting it to other devices unless necessary, and don't leave it connected to your computer all the time. Also, don't rename or delete the userkey.psw file, and avoid copying other files to the USB drive if possible to keep it clean and private. You can copy the userkey.psw file to your computer, the cloud, or any other USB storage device for backup. But when using it, you must put this file back in the root folder of the USB drive, and its name and format must be exactly what the password reset wizard expects. In my opinion, keep the original USB drive in a safe place and do not copy it, as this is not recommended. That's all for today's video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.